Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mike, and yes, as my title states, I have just received my first YouTube play button. I think at 186 subscribers, I am the smallest creator to receive said YouTube play button. It's been a very proud day. I was made up when this was presented to me, and I love it. It's brilliant. So, how did I do this? How did I get a play button that is only awarded after certain milestones? Was it because of my content? Because of my great setup? Great setup. Was it because of my content? My Fortnite videos must have been groundbreaking. My live streams. Was it because of my few streaming tip videos that I've put out there so far? What could it have been? Well, I'll tell you what it was. This was awarded to me by my 5-year-old son. And there it is. My first ever play button. And this is going to live on my wall. I'll get a frame for it at some point. We'll get a frame for it. We'll get a shelf. That'll take pride of place. And I'll tell you what I'll do. At 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers, I will have that exact image tattooed to me. But I don't know where. So you guys, comment below. Let me know where you think I should have it tattooed. Keep it clean. So comment below, like the video, drop a subscription. Because if you want that tattooed to me, you've got to subscribe. Come on. I'll speak to you soon. I look forward to it. Come join me on my lives. Have a good evening. Bye.